When space horns are shipped, they are shipped with the feet, which are also adjustable in height, on the side, which then is used as the bottom of the speaker element, the subwoofer element. But in some occasions, and you can already see this in our brochure and website, it might also be advantageous if the space horn is not lying on the floor, but standing upright on the floor with the electronics on top and the outlet of the horn curvature to the floor. For that, these feet are detachable completely. And here, on the new bottom side, we have those cover elements which secure and protect the recess for the feet. So all that has to be done is to unscrew the feet from one end and screw it in to the other side, while the cover screws then go to where the foot before was. So after completing the conversion of the feet onto the new underside, the space horn can be placed like this and is also fully movable on your floor.